Now fourth question is find the equation of the circle which passes through the points 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 0 0 comma 2. So this is 2 comma 0, it is 0 comma 2 here and orthogonal to the this given question here, given equation. Solution here, let the equation will become x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here we will take this as 1 here. So now here given equation will take it as 2x square plus 2y square 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. No, so this is we'll do here 2 will common from these these terms, it will become divide with the 2, okay, like that only. So it will become x square plus y square plus 5 by 2 will come minus 6 by 2 will come y plus 4 by 2 will come here is equal to 0 will come here, 4 by 2 will become 0 will come here. So this is second equation, we'll think that. So from 1 and 2 the orthogonal will take, from 1 and 2 orthogonal will find. So here orthogonal formula will know 2 into g dash plus f dash is equal to c plus c dash. So here from this g dash is equal to 2gx, no, it will become 2gx means what will come here, 5 by 4 will come here, and f dash is equal to 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, no, so it will become 3 by 2 will come minus 3 by 2 will come here. C dash is equal to 2 will come here, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So I will submit in this one, it will become 2 into g dash is equal to 5 by 4 and plus f into f dash is equal to minus 3 by 2, no, so minus 3 by 2 will come here is equal to c plus 2, c plus 2 this one, c means c here, this one, and c dash is equal to 2 here. So you multiply with the 2 here, g into, if we multiply to 5 by 2 will get 5 by 2 will come here, plus if I multiply to minus 3f will come here is equal to c plus 2. So we can write it as 5g by 2 minus 3f is equal to c plus 2, we can write it as this. I will take it as third one here. So third equation here. Here from the question what is given, so here they passes through the, this equation passes through the 2 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0. So first you will take given equation, what, this one here, second one, no, given equation for this one, from first equation only, it will goes through the 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. If it goes to the first one though, it will become 2 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2fi, no, so 2 into fi plus 0 plus c is equal to 0 will come here. From this it will become 4 plus this is 4g and 2 to the 4, no, plus c is equal to 0. So from this 4g plus c is equal to minus 4 will come here. Now similarly 0 comma 2 submit though, it will become 0 square, okay na. So here in this equation we will submit though, it will become 0 square plus 2 square plus 2g0 plus 2f2 plus c is equal to 0, means it will also come as 4f plus c is equal to minus 4 will come here. So we will take this as 4 and this as 5 here, okay. We solve the 4 and 5, 4g plus c is equal to minus 4 and 4f plus c is equal to minus 4 here, okay. So I will take this one, it will become minus plus, so this will get cancelled, it will become 4g minus 4f is equal to this 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. So here 4g is equal to 4f we can take, and 4 will get cancelled, g is equal to f will come here, so g is equal to f will come here. So here g is equal to f we got na, I will submit this g is in the 3 value, so 3 equations, so it will become 5g by 2 minus 3 into g. So in the f place I will replace with the g is equal to c plus 2 here. So 2 3 ja, this one 6 here, 5g minus 6g is equal to minus g will come by 2 is equal to c plus 2 will come here. So we'll take here this minus will come inside, it will become minus g by 2 minus c is equal to 2 will come. So this I will take it as 6 here. So here this minus g by 2 minus c is equal to 2 is there na. So I will solve here also g, fourth equation also we have g na. So 4g plus c is equal to minus 4, and this one I will solve these two equations, okay. So here I will take fourth one and sixth one, okay. Here 4g plus c is equal to minus 4 and minus g by 2 plus minus c is equal to 2 will become. So if I add, so it will become 4g minus g by 2, this will get cancelled, is equal to this will come as 2 here, this will come as 2. So what will come? Minus 2 will come. So because minus 4 is there, so here. So 4 minus 1 by 2, if I common g, so it will become minus 2. So it will become 2 4 8, 8 minus 1, 7 by 2 will come, is equal to minus 2. So g is equal to minus 4 by 7. So f is equal to also minus 4 by 7, where f is equal to g, no. So we got this one, no. So in the previous one, so here where this g is equal to f, no. So this one from this. Okay, so now what we have to find? C also we have to find. So I will submit f value in this one, we'll get the c value. So 4 into f is equal to how much? Minus 4 by 7, na? Plus c is equal to minus 4. So here 4 4 ja 16. Okay, minus 16 divided by 7 plus c is equal to minus 4. So c is equal to, this will goes here, so it will become minus 4 plus 16 by 7. 7 4 ja 28. Minus 28 plus 16 divided by 7. So it will become will come, that will become minus 12 will come here, minus 12 by 7 will come, where c value here, this one. So what is the equation will come? X square plus y square plus 2 into g is equal to how much we got here? Minus 4 by 7, na? So here x plus 2f, f is equal to minus 4 by 7 into y plus c is equal to minus 12 by 7 here, is equal to 0 will come. So x square plus y square minus 2 4 ja 8 by 7, 8x by 7 plus or minus only, minus 4y means 8y by 7 minus 12 by 7 is equal to 0 will come here, 7 will. So this is answer. If you want to multiply, cross multiply, LCM will find 7x square will come plus 7y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 12 is equal to 0 will come. So this is the end of the equation. Okay.